Search bar on Windows 10 may not work at times, and it may cause various problems. Want to learn how to fix Windows 10 search bar not working problem? I'll teach you how to fix this problem today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today I'll tell you 3 of the ways to fix it. The very first one is to type Alt+Ctrl+Delete. Click on Task Manager after it. Click on File on the top left corner. Click on Run New Task. Enter Powershell on it. Choose Create this task with administrative privileges. For that, click on this square box in front of it and then click on OK. Now type sfc/scannow. Now wait for Windows to be repaired. It may take some time and it might definitely work after getting scanned properly. And if this doesn't work, the second method is to press Windows key+R and then type the following text. After typing the text, press OK. And after clicking on OK, it should work again. And now your search bar should work again, just like this. But if it doesn't, the third method is to press Alt+Ctrl+Delete again. Click on Task Manager, locate your Windows Explorer service, right click on it, click on End Task, click on File on the top left corner. Click on Run New Task. Type Explorer.exe here and then press OK option. You can click on End Task on the bottom right corner, or you can simply disallow it. Now your problem should be fixed. So I have just told you 3 of the ways to fix your problem of search bar not working on Windows 10. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.